Alright guys, so welcome back. So I decided to install the inner light, decoration lights right now with this video. So hopefully you guys like it. So moment of truth, let me show you how they look right now. And it's already dark, so which means they're gonna look nice in the dark. So let me show you. As you can see guys, let me turn off the flash so you can have a better look. You can see, so definitely it turns out very nice, especially to me. I really like it how they look inside the car, and I'm sure you guys like it too. Let me take a picture right here. Okay, so these lights come with the two plugs. One you can put in the cigarette lighter position and the other one is USB, so you can use both. And there is still extra right here, which I just put it inside the box. As you can see, it's not that much, but it's still extra, which is great. I wish it could have been like 2 meter more, so I could just bring it backside and then put behind the seats, but I think it's still very nice looking. And so yeah, so that's it for today guys, and hopefully you guys like the video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe button for more future videos, and stay tuned for that.